Hi guys, welcome back to Nikela Tequila TV. I'm Nikela, of course, and today I'm doing an unboxing from RNRNikelia. They sent me a little PR gift, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the items that they sent me. And I'm actually really, ooh, it smells nice. And I'm just really excited to open this up. But as a content creator, I do get sent over clothes and items on a semi-regular basis. I'm not like a big shot or anything like that, in no means. But I do get sent over items every now and then. So I think I'm gonna make this like a series. I think I'm gonna make this like a thing. The packaging is so cute. It's branded. I love it. I'm just gonna try to open this up here. Oh, okay. Okay. We got it open. Okay, they wrapped it up nicely in tissue paper. Oh, that's so cute. It says Rocks and Rags right here. Oh, they're so adorable for that. I love that. I'm just gonna rip through the tissue paper. Sorry, not sorry. Woohoo! Oh. Okay, first things first. It came with these cute little notes. It basically just says, it says, happy holidays, we're glad you exist. They have such cute posts on their Instagram that relate back to like mental health and like, you know, just self-awareness. Thanks for being you. We hope this package brightens your day just like you brightened ours. Our shoppers are the most important thing in the world to us, and we hope these clothes make you feel as confident and beautiful on the inside as you already look on the outside. And this is a bunch of other stuff as well, but yeah, super sweet. And then it also came with, ooh, a Rocks and Rags sticker. And this might also be another sticker. I think it might just be like a little sample you put inside, but it says, if you're watching this, you're stronger than you know. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's try these on. Okay, so this is their pink satin two-toned halter top. I don't know the exact name of it, but this halter top is so cute. It is satin, so it pretty much goes with every single outfit. It has a bow in the back and a bow at the bottom, so you can tie it and adjust it just to your liking. I love it! First impression of this is 100%. It's a 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is the second top. It has a little crisscross at the bottom, which I'm actually loving. It gives that little accentuation on the hip, so it makes it a little bit more curvier. But yeah, no, this one's so cute. I love the color. I love the pattern. The best thing about these two tops is that you can get 10% off with my code. I'm linking it in my bio and somewhere on this screen right here. And then get yourself right. Knows 100% what they're doing. I feel so much more confident and cute in this bitch. Thank you, RNRNikelia, for sending me these gorgeous and cute and customizable gifts. And thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.